Every year, a handful of tools show up in workshop videos everywhere, and suddenly everyone swears they can't work without them. That's exactly why these 13 new power tools are going viral in 2026. But here's the honest truth. Some of these deserve every bit of the buzz, while others are impressive gadgets that only make sense for very specific jobs. Today, we're separating the genuine game changers from the ones you can skip. So before you toss any of these into your cart based on a flashy demo, stick around, because by the end, you'll know which of these 13 actually belongs in your shop, and which one is more hype than horsepower.
The cordless electric staple gun. If you've ever squeezed a manual stapler until your hand cramped, you already understand the appeal here. This battery-powered tool drives staples with the press of a trigger, and many are actually two-in-one designs that handle both staples and brad nails. The standout feature is convenience. Most charge over USB-C and come pre-loaded with hundreds of fasteners, so you're ready to work right out of the box. It's perfect for upholstery, crafts, trim, cable runs, and light DIY projects around the house. The honest limitation is power. These smaller cordless units are built for lighter materials, so they won't replace a pneumatic nailer for framing or hardwoods. But for everyday household tasks, it turns a tiring chore into a one-handed breeze. The mini wood lathe machine. Wood turning used to demand a big, expensive floor standing machine, which put it out of reach for hobbyists with limited space. This compact benchtop lathe changes that completely, letting you shape pens, bowls, small handles, and decorative pieces right on a tabletop. The feature people love most is the infinitely variable speed, which gives you fine control as you turn different woods. It's ideal for beginners, crafters, and anyone curious about wood turning without committing to a full-size setup. The realistic trade-off is capacity. The small motor and short bed limit you to smaller projects, so you won't be turning table legs on it. But as an affordable entry into a genuinely satisfying craft, it's a fantastic little machine that delivers real results.
The smart cordless cutting tool. This is the oscillating multi-tool, and it's earned a reputation as one of the most versatile things you can own. Instead of one job, it does dozens: flush cutting a door jamb, removing old grout, trimming pipes, scraping adhesive, and making plunge cuts where nothing else fits. The magic is in the swappable blades combined with a fast oscillating head, often reaching around 20,000 strokes per minute on brushless models. Variable speed lets you match the tool to the material. It's a favorite for remodelers and DIYers alike. The one honest note is that blades wear out and can get pricey over time. Still, for tricky cuts in awkward spaces, few tools solve as many problems as this one does. The mini cordless rotary tool. Think of this as the pocket-sized powerhouse of your toolkit. Small enough to hold like a pen, it spins interchangeable bits at high speed to sand, grind, polish, engrave, and cut tiny details that bigger tools simply can't reach. The best part is portability. Most are USB rechargeable and lightweight, so you can work on hobbies, jewelry, or small repairs anywhere without a cord. Crafters, model builders, and detail-oriented DIYers get the most out of it. The obvious limitation is power and battery life. It's built for delicate precision work, not heavy grinding sessions. Push it too hard and it'll bog down. But for fine, intricate tasks where control matters more than muscle, this little tool is genuinely indispensable.
The high-speed bench grinder. Every serious workshop eventually needs one of these anchored to the bench. It spins abrasive wheels at high RPM to sharpen dull blades, shape metal, remove rust, and clean up rough edges fast. The feature that makes a real difference on better models is the addition of an LED work light and included wheels in different grits, so you can go from coarse shaping to fine finishing. It's a must-have for anyone who sharpens tools, works with metal, or restores old hardware. The safety reality is important here. Bench grinders demand eye protection and careful technique, since sparks and heat come with the territory. But for keeping your cutting tools razor sharp, nothing beats the speed and simplicity of a solid grinder. The 3-in-1 metal brake machine. This clever machine combines 3 tools in one heavy cast iron frame: a shear to cut sheet metal, a brake to bend clean folds, and a slip roll to form curves. Instead of buying 3 separate machines and finding room for all of them, you get one workstation that does it all. The standout is that combination itself, which is a genuine space and money saver for fabricators. It's aimed at metalworkers, HVAC pros, and dedicated hobbyists building brackets, ductwork, or custom panels. The honest caveats are that it's heavy, needs to be bolted down, and typically handles thinner gauge metal, often around 20 gauge. For the right maker, though, it's a serious upgrading capability.
The drill-powered metal nibbler. This one wins on pure ingenuity. It's an attachment that chucks into a drill you already own and instantly transforms it into a sheet metal cutter. Rather than tearing or warping the metal like tin snips can, the nibbler punches out a thin strip for clean, straight, and curved cuts. The clever feature on many versions is a 360-degree rotating head, letting you follow tight curves easily. It's great for HVAC work, auto body repair, and roofing on thinner materials. The realistic limits are that it only handles a specific thickness range, usually thin steel, aluminum, or copper, and it does leave small metal chips to clean up. As an inexpensive way to add a whole new capability to your drill, it's hard to beat. The SDS-Max hammer tool. When a job involves breaking through concrete, this is the heavy hitter you call in. Using the SDS-Max system for maximum impact energy, it chisels, demolitions, and drills into masonry that would destroy a standard drill. The feature worth highlighting is vibration control, which many models include to reduce fatigue during long demolition sessions, along with a kit of chisels. It's built for contractors, renovators, and anyone tackling concrete removal, tile demolition, or heavy anchoring. Be honest with yourself about the trade-offs, though. It's heavy, loud, and demands proper protective gear and technique. This is not a casual tool. But for genuine demolition work, its raw power makes short work of jobs that would otherwise take days by hand.
The Portable Chainsaw Milling Guide. This attachment turns a chainsaw into a portable sawmill, letting you slab a fallen log into usable lumber right where the tree lies. The brilliance is that you don't need to haul massive logs to a mill. You bring the mill to the wood. Adjustable rails control the thickness of each cut, so you can produce consistent boards and slabs for tables or projects. It's a favorite among off-grid builders, furniture makers, and anyone with access to raw timber. The honest reality is that it requires a powerful chainsaw, considerable physical effort, and patience, since milling this way is slow and demanding. But for turning free logs into beautiful lumber, it opens up possibilities that would otherwise be impossible or expensive. The Brushless Hammer Drill Kit. If you only buy one power tool, this is often the smart choice. The hammer function adds a rapid pounding motion for drilling into brick and concrete, while it still works as a standard drill and driver for everyday tasks. The key upgrade in newer kits is the brushless motor, which runs more efficiently, lasts longer, and squeezes more work out of each battery charge. Most kits come complete with batteries, a charger, and a case. It suits pretty much everyone, from casual homeowners to pros. The main thing to watch is that battery platforms lock you into a brand's ecosystem, so choose wisely. As a versatile, do-everything workhorse, though, it's tough to go wrong here.
The heavy-duty angle grinder. Few tools are as aggressively useful as this one. Swap the disc and it cuts metal, grinds welds, removes rust, sharpens blades, or slices through tile and masonry. The versatility from those interchangeable discs is exactly why it earns a permanent spot on the workbench. Heavy-duty models bring the power to muscle through thick steel and stubborn materials without bogging down. It's essential for welders, fabricators, and demanding DIY projects. That said, the honest warning here is real. Angle grinders are among the more dangerous tools out there, so guards, eye protection, and full attention are non-negotiable. Treated with respect, though, it's one of the most capable and cost-effective tools you can own for cutting and grinding work. The Portable Magnetic Drill Press. This is a specialist tool that solves a very specific problem beautifully. Its powerful electromagnetic base clamps firmly on steel, letting you drill perfectly straight, accurate holes in beams, plates, and structures a regular drill could never manage cleanly. The standout is that magnet, often rated to hold with thousands of pounds of force, keeping everything rock steady even when working vertically or overhead. It's built for structural steel workers, fabricators, and industrial applications. The obvious limitation is that the magnet only grips ferrous metal, so it won't stick to aluminum or stainless, and these units are heavy. For the trades that need it, though, a mag drill delivers a level of accuracy and stability that's simply unmatched on site.
The Precision Rotary Drill Tool. Closing out the list is a tool made for delicate, detailed work. This compact rotary drill and engraver lets you personalize belongings, etch designs into metal, glass, wood, and leather, and handle fine sanding or polishing with tiny bits. The appeal is precision in the palm of your hand, ideal for adding names, patterns, or fine detail that larger tools would ruin. Crafters, jewelers, and hobbyists love it for custom projects and repairs. The honest note is that it's built for light, precise tasks rather than heavy material removal, so patience is part of the process. But as an affordable way to add a personal, professional touch to almost anything, this little tool is a genuinely satisfying finish to the collection.
And that's all 13 of the power tools going viral in 2026, from clever little gadgets to serious heavy-duty machines. So now I really want to hear from you. Which of these tools would actually earn a permanent spot in your own workshop? And which one surprised you the most? Drop a comment below and let me know your pick. If this video helped you shop a little smarter today, a quick like genuinely supports the channel, and hitting that subscribe button along with the notification bell means you'll never miss our next tool roundup. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.